Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to look at the built-in float function. And I'm moderately embarrassed that I have not done this, and this is almost 2 years since I first touched on floats, but that's what we do. We are very thorough. So alright, here I will just give you a very good example of why this is important. So we all know what a float is, right? Let's just do a little refresher. It has float point number, convert a string or number to a float point number if possible. So all right, let's use that scenario, converting a string. So we do total, we do this, and then we take x as input and enter amount, right? We do this, do a little space, and we do this, and then return x. Let's say there's a fee of $2. So we add $2. So what's going to happen here when we do this? We call total, then we do 15, 23. This is going to throw up that. And then we start to look at it, we go, well, wait a minute, we've always done maybe wrap this in int, but that is not conducive to this because it will get rid of our decimals, or if we just have no process for our decimals. So let's come up here and call this again, 1523, and lo and behold, here we go. So this is the, because we know it's a class, right? 1.0 type 1.0. It is a class, but then it also is a function as well. That, because as we read, it converts a string or a number to a float point. And here's a perfect example of how to do it. But real quick video today. Just want to be thorough, kind of dipped back into built-in functions. I think we have maybe 10 more. Some of them are a little bit higher end. We're going to dabble at those slowly. Some of the others are easier to digest like this. But we're just gonna tackle all of them because, like I said, I want this to be your one-stop shop. Everything Python. You need to search for something, this is where I want you to come. And please leave any questions, comments, or my all-time favorite, any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.